With an ever-impressive gaming industry that rivals some feature films, Unique Tracks has put together Game Impacts, a collection of more than 200 high-energy game impacts in 40 categories. These elements are designed to provide you with effects for this world and beyond. There's alien movements, arcade impacts, arcade movements, atomic explosions, attack movements, communicator statics, crashes, crunches, digital feedbacks, distortions, drones, electronic swings, ethereal underscores, explosions, feedbacks, fires, fireballs, fireworks, force fields, game movements, hits, lasers, low-frequency effects, match flares, menu buttons, screens and transitions, power elements, rock elements, screen transitions, splash screens, statics, thumps, thunder elements, volcanic elements, weapons, whips, and whooshes. Infuse your next production with the audio adrenaline of Game Impacts. It's stuff you'll need and stuff you'll use from Unique Tracks.